Ever since I can remember, my husband always wanted a mountain cabin. And in the economy that we live in, most people can't afford more than one home. So we set out to make our home life exactly how we wanted it. If you would have stepped inside my home today, you would not know that I live in a mobile home. The walls, the floors, the ceiling is made with wood. Just last year we added white cedar to the ceiling, hung baskets, and it looks so beautiful. Today I want to show you a beautiful life. It is a quiet mobile home cabin life. We wanted things to look old-fashioned, but living in a mobile home is what we afford. So we took the best of both worlds and we turned it into an old-fashioned mobile home. It may sound a little strange to say an old-fashioned mobile home, but even the bones of this mobile home is from 1963, and there's a lot of old-fashioned qualities to it. We kept the original paneling, we kept the original cupboards, because that was made with real wood. My home life is that of the old world. My home life is that of the homemakers many years ago. And I like to reflect that in my videos. No matter what the subject is about, my videos are always about very old-fashioned living. These tomatoes I canned from my garden. The seeds were free. This was 100% free food. Even the jars and lids were free. I like to find free things as much as I possibly can. Find things that people have thrown away and make another use out of them. Our neighbors a while back gave me her mother's mixer. She was moving and didn't take it with her. Let me tell you what, this thing is heavy, like really, really heavy. So I had a little hard time mixing up the cookie dough. Then I took it out of the frame, out of the stand, and this is heavy. I mean, this is probably 12 pounds. And I'm just reminded of how modern conveniences have come a long way. And I mean, the women in those days, I mean, it wasn't easy to mix it up with this and to hold it and to, you know, mix up the cookie dough with it. But I love bringing back nostalgia a little bit, and just it's a good reminder of how easier our life is. Our life is very complicated nowadays. Look at the old cord. It's like in perfect condition. Her mother really took care of it. We live in a complicated world, but we have an easier world in a lot of aspects of it. You know, the meals we can make are so much easier to make, and all the conveniences that we have. But it's really good once in a while to be reminded of how hard, you know, homemakers had it. And, you know, it just wasn't easy. I'm baking 2 cookies, one for my husband and I. The rest are in the freezer, and when they're frozen solid, I'll go put them in a bag and then I can freeze them. But I love the old cookbooks. I think the old cookbooks are amazing for saving money because they were written in a time where people didn't have a lot of money to spend on food. And so I don't really use modern cookbooks. All of my cookbooks are so much older. It's really humid out today, so we've just had so much heat and humidity, and I'm hoping for a little more rain. We do need some rain again. You continue to enjoy these type of videos, and I tell you what, this thing has been around a long time. The stories that it could tell, like all the different meals, mishaps, and wonderful concoctions. It would be great if your appliances and your house could talk. Well, maybe not. Maybe they would tell some horror stories as well. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm going to go ahead and eat a cookie and then finish up some of the projects that you seen me start in today's video. We're going to go ahead and finish them up. And I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Same time, same place. Let's go ahead and finish up this stuff, and let me go ahead and taste one of my cookies that I left in the oven just a few minutes too long. I make it with the real butter. I left it in just a little bit too long, but it is so good. It doesn't taste burnt at all. It just has that crispiness to it. It turned out amazing.